in which the hypotenuse has not been given. In this, the base is not given, and in this, perpendicular has not been given. Then, how can we find the all six trigonometric ratio? So, first of all, using the Pythagoras theorem, xz square is equal to xy square plus zx square. That is xy 3 square plus zx 4 square, that is 9 plus 16, that is 25. That is the 5 square. Now it is, we have got 5. Similarly here, the QR has not been given, base has not been given. Then r cube square in this now we have got all the three sides, and very easily we can find all the trigonometric ratio, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, and whatever. Now we shall read about the trigonometric identity. Means it is expression which is used for the all conditions of the variables, and here are some trigonometrical identity. These are the, we have read about the sin theta is equal to one by cosec theta, implies that sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. These are the identity. Similarly, we can also find the tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. How you will find this? And cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. You will find this. But these are the identity. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Now we have to read about the sum square. Like the sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. How can we say that? So let us consider the triangle A, E and C. It is the theta. It is right angle. It is P, it is B and it is H. Let us see here. Sin theta square plus cos theta square sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse P upon H square plus cos theta base upon hypotenuse square. P square plus B square is equal to H square. What do you get? 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we can say sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this we can find the several identities, like sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. So these are some identities, and other identity are the another square relation is sec square theta minus tan square theta. From this can be proved by this formula, with the help of this triangle and the trigonometric ratio. Sec theta is equal to one plus tan square theta, or tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, or cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. All these are the identities. All these are the identities which we have to remember, but all have been derived from the trigonometric ratio. So it is very useful. So we have to remember the trigonometric ratio, and I have told how it can be remembered or memorized, and it is very easy and interesting lesson. But if you try to understand it, and I hope that you will do your practice at your home, and some more about this I shall tell in the next segment.